Welcome back to Alan's Yummy Food Story. So today guys we're gonna make some Parippu Vada here. Me and my dad always enjoy eating this snack because it is very crunchy, crispy and also very tasty. So this is a very good Kerala tea time snack that you should try. And also let us make this wonderful recipe. So here are the ingredients guys. So first ingredient we got is Toor Dal. Next ingredient we got is Chana Dal or split chickpeas. Next, the ingredient we got is crushed up red chili. We got some salt, and also we got some asafoetida, and also we got some crushed up onions. We got some finely chopped curry leaves, and also we got some finely chopped green chili, and also we got ginger garlic paste. So the first step here, add both the Toor Dal and the Chana Dal, and also leave aside 3 tablespoons of Toor Dal for the next step. And also an important tip here, always activate crush mode instead of normal mode, otherwise it will turn into a paste. So always activate crush mode because normal mode will turn into a paste. So now we have crushed it all up, activated crush mode, and now look at this beautiful paste. So now to make the batter, add some onion, crushed up onion. Next guys, we gotta add the ginger garlic paste here guys. Next add the green chili guys, chopped up green chili, and now add the curry leaves and also add the red chili which is finely crushed, and also add some salt, and finally you're gonna add the asafoetida and also add the remaining Toor Dal that we have saved on the previous step. So now let us mix this all up and make it into a one fine batter. So my mom is mixing it really well here, as you can see. So now the batter is created. It's time to heat up a pan, boil up some oil, and now let's cook this up. So now let's make a patty out of the Parippu Vada dough or batter, and then let us fry this all up. Place the Parippu Vada batter in the fry here in the boiling hot oil, and then we got some hot, very crispy and very delicious looking Parippu Vada here. So now let us taste this wonderful, beautiful looking Parippu Vada. So now guys, you gotta taste the Parippu Vada here, which is made of Toor Dal, and also you got some chickpeas here. So now I'm gonna dip it. It has some sauce here, so now I'm gonna dip it and eat it. So as we had dipped in the sauce, now time to eat it. Wow, splendid! So splendid! Along with this, it's good with milk tea here. It is good with a variety of teas. It's good with black tea, normal tea, milk tea, etc. So now I'm going to drink the milk tea and eat it. So good. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you like this recipe, then try it out for yourselves and leave your opinion in the comment section below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to this video. It helps and supports me a lot. And also make sure to share this video to all of your friends, and if you have any suggestions, leave it on your comment section below. And without of the way, bye.